Automated weighing stations measure batch consistency in real time. Synchronized gates regulate flow rate for uninterrupted throughput. Workers supervise control panels, ensuring professional workflow.
Used wash water enters the filtration tanks, where solids are separated. Technicians monitor the gauges, ensuring the process runs efficiently. Potatoes pass under optical scanners, detecting defects and discoloration.
Remove substandard pieces.
Workers monitor digital systems, ensuring professional workflow.
Efficiency.
Accumulation is steady, aligning for balance.
Spaced well. Downstream feed is smooth.
Good. Maintaining the pace.
System is balanced.
Sensors confirm 185. Temperature is optimal.
Pumps are circulating at 50 liters per minute. Heat distribution is uniform.
Copy that. All systems are stable.
In a state-of-the-art facility, automated dispensers release precise amounts of seasoning, synchronized with the chip flow.
For each levels.
A close-up reveals the high-detail macro view of the powder distribution in motion. Rotating drums tumble the chips, applying seasoning evenly, while suck systems capture and recycle excess powder. This ensures a uniform coating and demonstrates industrial efficiency in food manufacturing.
Off-color texture confirmed. Removing.
Surface flaw detected here. Ejecting.
Breakage identified. Manual removal.
Line efficiency at peak. No delays. Bag 23, visual check complete, no defects. Line efficiency at 98%. Proceed to next batch.
Scan that batch. We need real-time accuracy. Scanning now. Monitors updating. Good. No discrepancies. Keep the flow going.
Confirmed. Conveyor data is synced.
Automated retrieval units navigate the aisles, precisely locating pallets for outgoing orders. Robotic arms move with efficiency, transferring goods across modern industrial efficiency.
Where does this one go?
Stack it right behind the others, high and tight. Easy now, clear on the right. Set it down right there. All right, pull back. Bring up the next one.
Is the next load ready for gate 4?
Yeah, just signed off on the manifest. He's good to roll.
Dispatch, this is loading supervisor. Confirming route 4K is secured and ready for departure. Send the next unit to Bay 2.
Here are your bags. Have a great day.
Attention shoppers, the produce section closes in 10 minutes.
Check the alignment on sector 4.
Looks good from here. Torque is calibrated.
The output on line 3 is dropping.
I see that. Rerouting power now. Should stabilize in 5 seconds.
The stabilization in sector gamma is impressive.
Yes, power usage is down 5%. The system is regulating perfectly across all active machines. Check the clearance on that emergency stop.
Looks good from here, but I'll make a note on the tablet.